About analyzing graphs of polynomial functions, and we want to identify even and odd functions. If we look at example 4, we see that we have a highest degree of x to the third. So the highest degree is odd. So we're going to check if this is an odd function. We know it's not going to be an even function, but we can check and see if it's going to be an odd function. So in order to check algebraically if it's going to be an odd function, the thing that we want to check is we want to check and see if the function evaluated at negative x is equal to the entire function negated. And so we come back, and this is the test that we want to run right here. So the first thing we want to do is we want to take the original function and we want to substitute in negative x and see what we get. So we're going to take the function evaluated at negative x, and that will be equal to, so we're taking x cubed, or negative x cubed plus 2. And when we get done, if we have a negative substitute into an odd degree, that's going to make it become negative again. So when we're all said and done, the function evaluated at negative x is going to be equal to negative x cubed plus 2. So that is one of the checks that we want to do right here. The next check is we want to see if the entire function negated will be equal to that. So we take the entire function, and we negate it. So negative times x cubed plus 2. And we distribute the negative sign in. So negative, the entire function, is equal to negative times x cubed. That becomes negative x cubed. And negative times positive 2 becomes negative 2. And so that is the check of what the function will look like if we negate the entire thing. And as we can see, if we're looking at the two functions, we see that we have negative x cubed and negative x cubed, but is not the same is negative 2 and the positive 2. So when we come up with our solution for this problem, we're going to say that it is neither. It is neither odd nor even, because we know right off the bat, we know that f of negative x does not equal the original function. And we also know that f of negative x does not equal the entire function negated. So it can neither be odd or even.